He was born a little baby on an Appalachian trail. At 6 months old, he'd done 3 months in jail. He robbed the bank in his diapers and his little bare baby feet. All he said was, folks, my name is Outlaw Pete. I'm Outlaw Pete. I'm Outlaw Pete. Can you hear me? At 25, a Mustang pony, Pete is still. He rode around and round on heaven's wheel. Father Jesus, I'm an outlaw, a killer, and a thief. I slowed down only to sow my grief. I'm Outlaw Pete. I'm Outlaw Pete. Can you hear me? He cut his trail of tears across the country's top. Where he went, women wept and men died. One night he woke from a vision of his own death. Saddled his pony and rode her deep into the west. Married an Navajo girl and settled down on the west. As the snow fell, he held that beautiful daughter to his chest. I'm Outlaw Pete. I'm Outlaw Pete. Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Pulled the trigger and shouted, let it start. Pete drew a knife from his boot, threw it and pierced Dan through the heart. Dan smiled as he lay in his own blood, dying in the sun. And he whispered in Pete's ear, we cannot undo these things we've done. You're Outlaw Pete. You're Outlaw Pete. Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Days and nights Pete rode and did not stop. Till he sat high. Some say Pete and his pony vanished over the edge. And some say that they remain frozen high up on that icy ledge. A young Navajo girl washes in the river, her skin so fair, and braids a piece of Pete's buckskin chaps into her hair.